If you're running out of cloud storage and want a simple way to buy more space on OneDrive, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to buy storage on OneDrive step by step so you can choose the right plan, complete your purchase, and get back to storing your files without any stress. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft OneDrive Plans page. This is where Microsoft lists the different storage options available for OneDrive. Once the page loads, take a moment to review the plans carefully so you can see what fits your needs best. If you're not already signed in, Microsoft may ask you to log in with your Microsoft account. Go ahead and sign in with the account you use for OneDrive, because that's the account that will receive the extra storage. Now that you're signed in, look through the available OneDrive storage plans. You'll usually see different choices depending on whether you want OneDrive standalone storage or a Microsoft 365 plan that includes extra storage and other benefits. This is an important decision because some users only need additional cloud space, while others may want the full Microsoft 365 package with apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint included. As you review the plans, pay close attention to the storage amount, monthly or yearly pricing, and any extra features included with the subscription. If your goal is just more OneDrive space, a standalone storage option may be the easiest choice. But if you also want access to the Microsoft Office apps and additional services, a Microsoft 365 plan might be the better value. Once you've found the plan you want, click the Buy Now or Get Started button on that plan. This will take you to the next step in the purchase process. Depending on the plan in your region, Microsoft may show you a checkout page where you can confirm the subscription details before continuing. Next, you'll need to enter or confirm your payment method. If you already have a payment method saved to your Microsoft account, you may simply need to select it. If not, you'll need to add a card or another accepted payment option. Make sure all your billing details are correct before moving forward, especially if you want to avoid any issues with the subscription activation. After that, review everything one last time. Check the plan name, storage amount, billing cycle, and total cost so you know exactly what you're buying. Once you're happy with the details, complete the purchase process. Microsoft will process the payment and activate the plan on your account. When the subscription becomes active, your OneDrive storage will automatically increase. In most cases, you don't need to do anything else. The extra space should appear on your account shortly after the purchase is confirmed. If it doesn't update immediately, give it a little time and refresh your OneDrive account page. And that's it. You've now learned how to buy storage on OneDrive in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to keep your files, photos, and important documents backed up without having to delete anything to make room. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.